Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jisia here, the social science teacher. I hope all of you are fine. You all performed very well in the test paper. The last section we discussed about rocks and its various types. Which are the different types of rocks? Yes, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Then we discussed about igneous rocks. Which are the different types of igneous rocks? Yes, they are extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. Today we will discuss about different types of igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Let's discuss about various igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are mainly divided into two types. They are extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. What are extrusive igneous rocks? Before that, you have to know what is lava.
Lava is actually fairly red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. Obsidian, pumice, rhyolite, andesite, basalt, and scoria. These are the various examples of extrusive igneous rocks. Let's point out the main features of extrusive igneous rocks. Rocks that form when lava hardens on the earth's surface are called extrusive igneous rocks. It cools quickly. It is usually light colored. It is formed from lava. It is very fine grained structure. These are the various features of extrusive igneous rocks.
Now, let's discuss about intrusive igneous rocks. What are intrusive rocks? How it is formed?
Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. It slowly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way are called intrusive igneous rocks. Granite, gabbro, diorite. These are the various examples of intrusive igneous rocks. Let's point out the main features of intrusive igneous rocks. Rocks that form when magma hardens beneath the earth's surface are called intrusive igneous rocks. It cools slowly. It is usually dark in color. It is formed from magma. It forms large grains. These are the main features of intrusive igneous rocks.
Now we will discuss about sedimentary rocks. Do you know from where the word sedimentary derived? The word sedimentary derived from the Latin word sedimentum, which means settle down. Then what are sedimentary rocks? How it is formed?
Rocks roll down, then crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form the layers of rocks. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. These are the various examples of sedimentary rocks. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Do you know what is fossil? The remains of dead plants and animals trapped in the layers of rocks are called fossils.
Now we will discuss about metamorphic rocks. What are metamorphic rocks? How it is formed? Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. Rock formed in such a way are called metamorphic rocks.
For example, limestone changes into marble. Sandstone changes into quartzite. Now you will have a doubt. What is metamorphism? It means alteration of the composition or structure of a rock by heat, pressure or other natural agency are called metamorphism. These are the various examples of metamorphic rocks.
These are the various facts related to different types of rocks. Let's conclude today's section by recollecting all the concepts. Today we discussed about extrusive and intrusive igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. What are the difference between extrusive rocks and intrusive rocks? Extrusive rocks are formed from lava, while intrusive rocks are formed from magma. Extrusive rocks are cools rapidly, while intrusive rocks cools slowly. Extrusive rocks are light colored, while intrusive rocks are dark in color. These are the main differences between extrusive and intrusive rocks. Then we discussed about sedimentary and metamorphic rocks with example. I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. Children, please note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and the test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Hope you enjoy this section. Thank you.